Okay, here we demo how to use the software. For the software, we provide two versions. One is English, another is Spanish. You can choose any one to set up. After the software install, launch the software. This is the first window, how to log in software. The account is system. No password. Then press OK. Now we enter the main window of the software. The first step is set up device connection to the computer, to the software. We highly recommend that use TCP/IP, means network cable connection. So you can connect your fingerprint device to your router, also your computer to the same router, so that they can be in the same local network. Firstly, you can check your computer IP address. IP address, how to check? First, go to the command window, CMD command window. Then check your own computer IP address. Here you can know your computer IP address is this one. Mask and gateway. 3 lines. So you need to configure on the fingerprint device hardware. Make the IP address the same range. Here is 192.168.1.104. So you can configure your fingerprint device IP address to the same range, for example, to 200 or 2001, something like that. Okay, how to configure IP address? On the fingerprint device, press M, then select COMSET. COMM means communication. Then press OK. The first line is device ID. If you have multiple devices, you need to set to 1, 2, 3. Each device should have one unique ID. If you just have one device, the ID is 1, default value. And the second line is IP address. Possibly you need to change here. The mask and gateway. The mask should be the same with your computer. The gateway should be the same with your computer. The IP address should be the same range with your computer. After the setting, you can save all and check if you can connect to the fingerprint device from a computer. Here is my setting for the fingerprint device. I can pin firstly. Pin fingerprint device IP address. Mine is 192.168.1.217. Pin it. Get TDL. So the pin is OK. Then set in the fingerprint device. Click Wizard. Then device. Here handle. Device ID number is 1. If you have multiple, we need to enter one by one. Device name, you can set any name you like. And here we use TCP/IP network cable, so check this one. And if you have multiple door, use multiple fingerprint device, you can check here. The IP address, input your fingerprint device IP address. Mine is 217. So set here. And model important, must select this one, U series. Okay, so device ID, name, network, IP address, and model type. Then save. Then close. Now you can check the connection. This one, you can read time, means read the fingerprint device time. So this time is success, means the connection is also okay. If the fingerprint device time is not correct, you can check the fingerprint device, then press this button, set name. This will sync your computer time to the fingerprint device. This one is read name. I was register one user on the fingerprint device. ID is 1. User name is empty here because I don't set in the software, so it's empty. And now there is no swipe, there is no punch record. Close here. Now we set up staff user. Step 1, department. You can add a department here. Department name, CEO office. You can set any. Then save. Close. Staff and set name here. For example, Jiang. Department is a CEO office. If you have multiple office, you can select here. The user ID. User ID is the ID in the fingerprint device. When you enroll the user, the ID normally begins from 1. So you need to record which user ID is who. So then you can input the ID and correct name here. Okay. Save. And you can add more. Save. After all stuff input, close this window. Then we go to the download the window again. Now I will punch my finger to generate one record in the fingerprint device. Okay, it's success. Now I will download the record here. You can see there are two records here. Stop number 1, name John. Because I already set the name for user ID 1, so I can press this one, set name. Set name means upload the user name from software to the device. Then when the user punch finger, his or her name will display on the screen. Press this one, set name. Now I punch my finger. My name is displayed on the screen. Now we check the record. We can go to report, attendance detail report, by department. Select this one, seal office. Then we press this is the time range. You can select a time range. Then preview. This is attendance details report. The report actually is based on your attendance rule. You need to set your attendance rule firstly. We have a detail menu for that. Here we ignore that step. And we can also check the raw swipe report, means raw attendance record. Select the department, then search. This is 2 records per day. And you can also export it to Excel file. Here, the file opened. You can see today is March 18. There are 2 records. The working time is just 15 minutes because I punched two times. I need two at this time, and then another is this time. The delta, the difference between the 2 times is 15 minutes. We close here, and if we go to this one, attendance management, is also I put record here. We can select office, then select a person, John. John, 2 records here. One is this one, another is this one. So close. And if you want to use this device for attendance management, you need to set other attendance rule. For example, you need to set a holiday, which is not a working day. Set a holiday here. example, it's for example Thanksgiving Day or Christmas, something like that. You can set it for Christmas Day, from which day to another end day to another day, and set holiday name here. There was a quick setup. You can select all, then OK. Here, this one we delete. Here you can see there is all Sunday and all Saturday as a holiday. You can also add other holiday here. This is to assign a holiday to other person. You can select the Sunday holiday and select the Saturday. You can see for John, he has a holiday, both Sunday and Saturday as a holiday. Also, you can set the shift. Set up the shift here. Means which time to work and which time to off duty. Please refer to the manual. If you have problem how to set, you can email me. After the shift attendance rule set, you can. This one is assign the shift rule to the person. Then we will generate analysis. Here is based on all the records and the rule. Press this one, analyze. It will generate the attendance report based on raw swipe records and rule. Then you can get a report. Normally we can ignore that because this device is mainly used for access control, open lock. And if you want to check the records, the first part of this video is enough. Set up connection, set up stuff, then here download the record or download the all records. Download all records means that you can set a time range, then download all. Then you can reduce records in Excel file, as I already show you. Okay, that's basic operation in the software. Thank you.